Workflows are a sequence of tasks, steps, or processes used to accomplish a specific goal. They streamline work, increase efficiency, reduce errors, and help track and manage tasks effectively. Navigate to the Settings tab on the User menu panel. Before we create workflows, we must first add and set up your labor centers. To add a new labor center, click Create. Add the name and select the operations to link. Selecting and linking a public holiday group will remove these days from scheduling capacity. Add the capacity for each labor center, ensuring availability is correct. It's important to note that the hours listed here is directly linked to the capacity planner. Once all labor centers have been set up and configured, select Workflows from the Settings menu. Workflows are categorized by type for jobs, projects, and leads, and each contains the operations and tasks required to complete. Your software may be preloaded with sample data that is intended as a guide. These can be modified to suit your industry or create new workflows from scratch. Each step in the workflow process is linked to a status, and this shows which stage the work is at. A task can either be an operation or be linked to an operation. This is where the work happens and what drives the process from each status to completion. Adding the number of persons and estimated time to complete the task will assist with scheduling by acting as placeholders for your capacity planning. The target date calculation is the lead time required between tasks. This is task specific and will have to be set for each task or operation added to a workflow. Use requires to select if the task is reliant on others and the order for completion. Select all if the task must be completed in a set order. Choose Selected if there are tasks that can run simultaneously. Or select None if the task can be completed at any stage of the process. For types, choose which work types the task applies to. This will ensure that this task will only appear in the workflows of the type selected. Adding a task description is optional, but it can also be selected as a column detail to view on agenda screens. Repeat the process and continue to add operations and steps until your workflow is built. Workflow operations and tasks are directly linked to agenda screens and will show in order as they are due. Jobman schedules as tasks are due first by priority and then by date. Operation and task order is determined by the workflow. Workflows are agile and can be modified at any time. Move a task or an entire step to change the order of the workflow with simple drag and drop functionality. Click on an individual task to make changes, or select Delete to remove it. You can also select Delete to remove the entire workflow from your active list. Remember, help is always just a click away on the User menu panel. Simply type your question to search for what you need. Here is where you will find all the answers and documentation to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.